Hi everyone, have a blessed life. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start some useful, difficult word with sentences. Efficiency. Efficiency meaning capacity of work. Example, capacity of our workers is very less due to unhealthy atmosphere and poor amenities. Capacity of our workers in very less due to unhealthy atmosphere and poor amenities. If any company needs efficient staff, then one has to pay higher wage. Salary depends upon efficiency of the employee one. Terror meaning fear of violence in the mind of people. The police should charge to shoot terror on the spot. The police should charge to shoot terror on the spot. Terrorist activities in Pahalgam were not right, and terror was being spread without any fear. Terrorism should be closed from terrorist mind. Then terrorism will be finished from the world. Bizarre. Bizarre. Very stranger. Peculiar. Non-common. Example, his demands are always bizarre. His demands are always bizarre. Proposal of government are sometimes are bizarre. Proposal of government are sometimes are bizarre. There are works to do hard, sometimes look like bizarre. Disprove. Disprove meaning to prove that it is wrong. Disprove, to prove that it is wrong. I want to disprove to matter, but looks like wrong. I want to disprove to matter, but looks like wrong. Can you disprove? He has totally there. Can you disprove? He has totally there. Yes, I have power to disprove that any cost. Yes, I have power to disprove that at any cost. Recommend. Recommend. To take favor. To take favors. I recommend his name for better position. I recommend his name for better position. Her recommendation is not good forever to me because I don't trust to him. Because I don't trust to him. Sometimes recommendation is needed to time at the situation. Sometimes recommendation is needed to time at the situation. To take favors. Deadlock. Deadlock meaning a problem which has no solution. Unsolved problem. Kashmir is a deadlock for our India. Kashmir is a deadlock for our India. Kaveri issue was deadlocked, resolved very weakly by Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Kaveri issue was deadlocked, resolved very weakly by Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Something are deadlocked in our society. Something are deadlocked in our society. A problem which has no solution. Seldom, meaning very rarely, sometimes only hardly, almost never. I seldom go there in her house. I seldom go there in her house. He comes here in my house seldom. He comes here in my house seldom. Cloudy weather, seldom raining. Cloudy weather, seldom raining. Cloudy weather, seldom rainy. He comes here in my house seldom. I seldom go there in her house. Seldom, very rarely, sometimes only hardly. Opportunist, one who change his loyalty according to benefits. Example, opportunist people can get only short-term gains. We shall beware of opportunist people. They should not to believe. Almost the people are always opportunist. Almost the people are always opportunist. We shall beware of opportunist people. They should not to believe. Opportunist people can get only short-term gains. Definition. Definition: to explain a word perfectly. To explain a word perfectly. Example, it is very difficult to define to anyone that what is his definition. It is very difficult to define to anyone that what is his definition. Definition of any subject is very important for all the question. Definition of any subject is very important for all the questions. My definition is very clear about him and his work. My definition is very clear about him and his work. Meditate, meaning to sit calmly in yogasana position. To sit calmly in yogasana position. Example, I meditate every day for 1 hour. I meditate every day for an hour. You should meditate for doing well all day. You should meditate for doing well all day. Meditation is good for our health and my mind, because meditation is recharged my temper